Part 2, Lesson 1. Debug debugging means finding and fixing bugs in a program. Here are a few methods for doing this. 1. Check error messages. If the program doesn't run, Python usually tells you why. Read the error message to understand where the issue is. 2. Run step by step. If the program is long, you can test different parts separately. 3. Ask for help. Sometimes another person can spot the problem quickly. Bugs are a natural part of programming, and even professional developers deal with them. The important thing is to learn how to find and fix them. With more practice, your debugging skills will get stronger. Puzzle. Debug use the commands below to guide the spaceship to its destination. Command, forward result, moves the spaceship 1 unit forward. Command, turn right result, turns the spaceship to the right. Command, turn left result, turns the spaceship to the left. It's your turn. Find and fix the syntax errors in the code below so the spaceship reaches its goal. Forward, forward, turn right forward, forward. It's your turn. Using the commands you've learned, guide the spaceship to its destination. Puzzle, destroy the meteor. In some puzzles, there are meteors blocking the spaceship's path that you need to destroy with a laser. The command laser attack does exactly that. Look at the example below. There's a meteor in front of the spaceship, and we need to destroy it while moving forward. Laser attack forward, forward. Comment. When we program, we might want ourselves or others to read our code later. To make the code clearer and more understandable, we use comments in our program. Comments in programming don't affect the execution of the program and are only used to explain the code. Python ignores comments and doesn't display them in the program's output. Comments start with the symbol $sign, and anything that comes after the $sign is considered a description. If we want to add a short explanation for a line of code, we use row. This program prints a message, print, hello, world. We can also write comments after the code, print, hello, world. Print the message. To write multiple lines of explanation, we can place 12 before each line. This is the first line of the explanation. Here is the second line. And this is the third line of the comment. When we run the following code, we will see the result. This is a Python program. This program prints a smiley face number sign. The print function is used in this program, print \_ left parenthesis, tu _ right parenthesis, \_ left parenthesis, tu _ right parenthesis, output \_ left parenthesis, tu _ right parenthesis, \_ left parenthesis, tu _ right parenthesis. Review. Let's review what we learned in sections 1 and 2. Code and programming language. Code is a set of instructions that tells the computer to perform a task. We write these instructions using a programming language like Python. One of the simplest commands in Python is print open parenthesis, close parenthesis, which allows us to print a message on the screen. Comment. Comments are explanations inside the code that do not affect the execution of the program and are written only for readability and clarification. In Python, we use # to write comments. It's your turn. What is the output of the following code? Print A print, B print, C print, D A B C D. It's your turn. Which option is wrong? A. Comments make the code run faster. B. Comments are used to explain the code. C. We use # for commenting in Python. D. Professional programmers also use comments in their code. It's your turn. Which option will run without error? A. Print hi. B. Print hi. C. Print hi. It's your turn. Which option is wrong? A. A bug is any error that causes the program to not work correctly. B. A typo can cause a syntax error in the program. C. Some errors cause the program to run, but produce incorrect output. D. If the program runs, it means there is no bug. End of section 2. Thank you for watching. You can watch the next episodes on the channel.